Hi! In front of me is NUBIA Red Magic Waves, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and click on More Features. Following that, tap on one-handed mode, and as you can see, I have tricky navigation, so I have to follow all of those instructions. But first of all, you need to click on Navigation key and select one-handed mode. If you have gestures navigation, click on full screen gestures and set up one-handed mode as well. Now when I long press the home button, as you can see, one-handed mode is now on. If you wish to go back, just click on the blurry area. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!